Greetings from yet another beach spot in Björnö Nature Reserve in Värmdö. This one is a normal public beach that's named as Snorkelledens Flytbrygga, because here it is said you can snorkel and see some nice fish. And right now this one is under shadow, but because it's late in the evening, but there is some sunshine here on the rocks and you can see the jetty from here, how it is. And the water is super clear and it's filled with beautiful sea creatures, of course. And yes, this is Beach Adventures with Chris, beach the number 93, and this is beach spot number 5 today here already. So there will be quite a few episodes today from Björnö Nature Reserve, of which 3 were nudist beach spots and 2 among one of these is a normal public beach. So let's check out and swim over there. And yes, let's see how it is, the water over here. So sunglasses off, and it has beautiful steps to get into the water. Let's see if we can see if there is thermometer. It's not a thermometer. All right, let's then dive in. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And you can see also from here Torpesand Strand, the beautiful sandy beach. It's only 200 meters away from that one, and too bad I didn't take my underwater glasses with me, goggles as they say. Actually, I could have snorkeled here a bit and explore some beautiful fish, but yes, let's dive in once again. Maybe you can spot something. Okay, not sure what you could have spotted over here. Let's try once more. All right, so that was an episode from Snorkelledens Brygga here. Snorkeled means how to say, like a hiking route. Oh, here I'm standing on something. Yes, I'm standing on something here. So it's not that deep over here. But yes, snorkel is when you deep dive in the water and explore the beautiful sea adventures, sea creatures. So greetings from Snorkelledens Brygga over here in Björnö Nature Reserve, and see you soon with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!